Here is a beginner-friendly Nigerian okra soup recipe you can cook at home. It is a classic slimy okra soup loved across Nigeria. You want to start by prepping your protein. Into a pot, add your mackerel fish and stockfish, then season this with stock seasoning, crushed scotch bonnet, salt, onions, then add some water to come at the same level with the fish. Put a lid on and bring this to a boil for about 15 minutes. While the fish and stockfish are cooking, you can prep your okra vegetable. You can choose to slice your okra finely. You can also grate or pound your okra to make it extra slimy. Go ahead and place a large pot on the stove top. Add some palm oil to it. Let the oil heat up but not smoky. Then go in with your chopped onions and stir fry it for about 2 minutes. After that, add in your ground okpono and then stir fry the okpono for 1 minute. Next, add in your okpei. Okpei is your fermented locust beans. Stir that around for a minute or so or until it starts to smell nice. Share your okra into two. Add the other part into the oil and fry until wilted. After that, add in your crushed pepper, more stock seasoning, salt, and crayfish powder. You can leave some of the crayfish to add it towards the end. Stir the soup to incorporate nicely. Now go in with your cooked kpomo, cooked goat meat or beef. In my own case, I'm using both goat meat and beef. Also add in your rich stock. If the stock isn't gonna be enough, you can add in some plain water as well. Stir the soup to combine well, cover it briefly and bring to a boil for about 5 minutes. Immediately the soup starts to boil, take the lid off. Now bring in your remaining okra into the soup. This okra soup is a lot. You should be able to adjust all your seasonings to blend with the soup. Add in your onions, the remaining crayfish, stock seasoning, and then stir this to combine. Cover the soup a bit to simmer for about a minute on medium heat. Remember not to overcook your okra. Okra cooks so fast. After cooking the soup for a minute, bring in your cooked fish and stockfish. You want to garnish these with a handful of uziza leaves. If you like, you can also add in ugwu leaves as well. Give your soup a nice stir and then cook this for 1 more minute. You can choose to cover the soup or you cook it uncovered. And here you have a really tasty, thick, and very slimy okra soup. So even if you're on a tight budget or you're cooking this for the first time, no stress, no expensive ingredients, just a tasty, affordable okra soup recipe for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Onyx Food Hill. Until next time, have a blessed day.